Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I will show you how to add new fonts to the Photoshop software so that you can use them in your design of a website or anything else. Because Photoshop comes with a modest set of fonts, but the best fonts need to be downloaded separately. So I will show you how and where from you can download these fonts. So this is the first site I will show you. Google Fonts, right here. This site has many fonts to choose from. As you see, we have here categories, we have languages, we have everything. Let's say that I want to download this font. So all I have to do is to click on this plus sign and this window will appear. Then I click here to download the font and here we are. It's downloaded. Easy and simple. Now to add the font to the Photoshop software, all you have to do is to open the font like this. We unzip it. We have here two fonts, so we will choose each one. This is the font right here. So right click, then you click copy. Then you go to the fonts file in your computer. We go to search, go to run, then we type in fonts. Then we open the file and here it is. This file contains all the fonts on your computer. So now you paste the font in here. And now we go to the Photoshop. Then you go here and you can type the font name to go directly to it. And here is the one that we downloaded. So you click on it, select it and type with it. So like this you can download any type of fonts you want. There is this site too, you can download fonts from it as well. Thefont.com. All you have to do is to click on download here on the site and you add the font with Photoshop as I showed you before. As you see, there is many fonts to choose from. A great option or feature in this site is that you can type a certain word right here and it will show you how it looks with different types of fonts, how the word will look with each font, as you see here. We type sports for example and here we are, how the word will look with each font. Then you choose the one you liked and you download it. Another site right here, 1001fonts.com. Same thing, you can choose the font you like and click on download. If you choose the font, you click on download and it will download the font you liked. So these three sites are for fonts. You can download fonts from them for free, of course. There's lots of other sites, but these are the best ones. Thanks for watching and I will be seeing you in the next lesson to start designing our website.